Hi friends, today video about Blackview BV7100.
A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart.
Blackview, a prominent manufacturer of rugged phones, unveiled the 13,000 mAh Blackview BV7100, its latest game-changing model. On September 14th, the first rugged phone with a 13,000 mAh battery powered by Android 12 will be introduced. The smartphone will be offered for $179.99 in the early bird period. It's a robust outdoor smartphone with a large 13,000 mAh battery and 4G connectivity. The phone's 6.58-inch front screen has a 1080x2408 resolution with a dewdrop notch on top. An octa-core MediaTek Galileo G85 CPU, clocked at 2.0 GHz, drives the Blackview BV7100. The Mali G52 GPU in the chipset is supported by 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of ROM, and up to 1 TB of extendable storage. The BV7100 sports 3 mid-range lenses on its back in the camera sector. A single 8-megapixel selfie camera is utilized on the front, along with a 12-megapixel Sony IMX362 lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 117-degree field of view, and a third 2-megapixel depth camera. The model is available in orange, black and green colors. It has the aforementioned 13,000 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charger, while shopping mode Google Android 12 with Dock OS 3.0 is available out of the box. The table below contains the full specifications of Blackview's BV7100.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
In my head I'm seeing, take me for granted, and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling.